Y el primer vuelo de KLM llega a Aruba tarde usando Biofuel. La compañía aérea holandesa escoge y reconoce a Aruba como símbolo para inaugurar el vuelo de Biofuel para Caribe. También KLM dedica tiempo a una competencia para llegar a mejor talento para un buen pensamiento para idea de energía sostenible en Aruba. Con llegada de vuelo de KLM, mostra também primeiro aparato na primeira fase de pre-clearance para a Europa, que assim se chama Happy Flow. Nós está preparado para fim de semana e em momento grande acoplar na sustentabilidade. O executivo de KLM quer que o aeroporto de Aruba está gateway para o tráfego aéreo. Aruba está buscando condonar contenido na expressão. Aqui, nós damos impressão cortico de chegada de vuelo de KLM à tarde usando Biofuel.
And the fact that today we can celebrate this first biofuel travel of the KLM to Aruba. And when that was the heading of one of the newspapers in Aruba, there were a lot of comments if it was indeed the first, because KLM had flown also to Brazil some time ago with a biofuel flight, so there was discussion if this heading was true. Well, it's true, because it's the first biofuel flight of KLM to the Dutch Caribbean. But I can add something new to that, because all the networks today, international newscasts, were broadcasting another first of this flight. And I will read. An Airbus A330-200 of KLM Royal Dutch Airlines has commenced the longest commercial flight with sustainable jet fuels ever performed by an Airbus aircraft. So, for those that doubted that this was more than a first flight to a Dutch Caribbean island, we know today this is the first Airbus flight of this distance made with biofuel.
We cannot get enough of your happy island, dear Prime Minister, Noticia, which we have always considered to be one of our most favorite destinations. And of course, there was this short interruption. There was this interruption in 2009 and 10, but that has not deterred us from working together, Aruba, the Dutch government and KLM, to bring the bluebird back, pero nos abini back. And let's see where we are. Because we are building up a stronger connection than ever before. It is getting stronger. It is really getting stronger. Let us be very optimistic here. Today we offer 5 direct flights to Aruba per week. And on a daily basis we also offer many indirect connections. So 13 times a week Aruba is connected. And I can tell you that the operation is going better and better. And this has something to do with the beautiful airplane just behind us, because the Airbus is a very efficient plane. And it is profitable again, after a long time of another situation. But it also says something about the tourism strengths of Aruba. Aruba is getting in a better situation, is attracting better tourism, and is getting more and more in the picture of the Dutch population again. And I think that deserves a huge compliment. Thank you very much for everything you are doing.
Ya Luna nos lo tiene relato más amplio de llegada de Airbus 330 de KLM con el detalle especial de uso de combustible biológico en su vuelo transatlántico.